We are the criminal law firm Interpol ICA, specialized in defending companies, entrepreneurs, and executives accused of international tax evasion and operations in tax havens. Thanks to our network of offices in London, Switzerland, the Middle East, Hong Kong, and Singapore, we provide direct on-site assistance even to suspects and defendants located abroad. Today we will explain what it means, international tax evasion, what related crimes are involved, and how we can defend you against tax charges on a global level. First of all, what is meant by international tax evasion? International tax evasion occurs when companies or individuals transfer income and profits to countries with favorable tax regimes, the so-called tax havens, in order to reduce or avoid paying taxes in their home countries. These operations can take place through various channels. First of all, offshore offices and shell companies are used to hide profits. Abusive transfer pricing, meaning the manipulation of prices between companies within the same group to shift profits to low-tax jurisdictions. Opaque trusts and fiduciary funds to conceal assets and real beneficiaries. And finally, dual tax residency, which involves declaring tax residency in a country with lower tax rates while actually continuing to operate elsewhere. These practices are under close scrutiny by tax authorities and international organizations such as the OECD, Europol, and Interpol, which work together to identify suspicious operations. So what are the crimes associated with international tax evasion? Entrepreneurs and companies involved in aggressive tax optimization operations can be charged with serious tax crimes, such as fraudulent tax returns through the use of invoices for non-existent transactions, failure to declare income and assets held abroad, international tax fraud, money laundering of funds derived from tax evasion, self-laundering, and the illegal transfer of capital abroad, and finally, criminal conspiracy aimed at tax evasion. The risk is that these crimes may lead to transnational investigations and tax audits, resulting in the freezing and seizure of assets and bank accounts. In the most serious cases, this can lead to international arrest warrants and extradition proceedings, or even inclusion on a tax blacklist, and as a result, restrictions on operating within the global financial system. Authorities are tightening control over operations in tax havens such as Dubai, Malta, Cyprus, Panama, the Cayman Islands, Hong Kong, and Singapore. At the ICAA Law Firm, we offer comprehensive legal assistance to those accused of international tax evasion, providing direct support even to those located abroad. Our defense focuses on a thorough analysis and reconstruction of corporate accounting to demonstrate the legitimacy of the operations, followed by a challenge to the charges of tax fraud and money laundering supported by solid documentary evidence. In addition, we handle the protection of bank accounts and corporate assets from international seizures, as well as defense against extraditions and legal proceedings, Interpol support for those abroad, and also negotiation with tax authorities for alternative solutions to criminal proceedings. Then we provide direct legal assistance in all major financial centers and tax havens operating in London, Switzerland, the Middle East, Hong Kong, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates. If you are taking refuge abroad and need defense in a foreign jurisdiction, our team of experts in tax and international criminal law can protect your rights, your assets, and your freedom. International tax evasion is a subject under constant scrutiny by authorities around the world. If you are under investigation or charged, acting promptly is essential to avoid seizures, asset freezes, and restrictive measures. At ICAA Law Firm, we are ready to defend you anywhere in the world, ensuring the highest level of legal protection and absolute confidentiality. Contact us now for a confidential consultation and find out how we can protect your interests. That said, I invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on international legal matters. See you in the next video.